The wandering pervert in his little car. Day number 2 of this road trip. It's like 63 here. Oh, 61. So I had to put the jacket liner back on. Ooh-wee, it was busy last night. Look at this. Oh. Electric vehicle. Oh, that stinks. They should have parked further out. Yeah, they couldn't. At the hotel last night, every now and then I could hear motorcycles just tearing tail up and down this highway. It's like, okay guys, I'm trying to get some rest. I feel so much better than I did when I stopped. And I was like dog tired. Of course, you know, no stimulants and 9 hours in the saddle, huh? Welcome to Virginia! Woo! Oh man. Look at all those sleeping frogs. The movie Pixar, or Pixar Cars movie, or Pixar movie Cars, when Mac's going by the rest stop in the middle of the night, and Lightning's like, "Ah, keep going, man, I'll keep you awake." Oh, wow. Tractor graveyard. Wow. Got a bunch of zombie tractors out there too. No left turn. Okay, if you say so. Wouldn't be a sign there if it didn't happen, right? Good morning, sunshine. Looking good today. Looking good. Man, I hit that guardrail twice in the same spot. What's so good about that old house? Wow! Good Lord, that was gorgeous. And today I bet it was beautiful. Good Lord. I think that car's back windshield said send, I hope it said tips, but I doubt it, on some kind of Snapchat. The wandering pervert in his little car. Dang, that's a lot of golf carts. Who needs that many golf carts? I mean, that's where they build them? Oh man, that was funny. I heard you, but you're out there mowing the grass somewhere. Oh my god. I think that's a Supra. Supra. Oh, oh man! I just opened up the face shield, and you can smell the rain. Oh my! Let's get most of the bugs off. Put on some different gloves for this section of the trip. Oh shit! That was a dead bear. GoPro stop. Somebody lost their canoe. What are you gonna do when you lose your canoe? Hopefully they're not up a creek with a paddle. Oh, look at that monster mower. Really? You are so stupid! Can't tell if he's putting it on or taking it off. GoPro stop. So I got my GoPro Hero 4 out for this part of the trip. It has the extended battery on it. Here's the extended battery, and you don't have to worry about plugging it into a USB port. Now I'm not putting on my waterproof gloves because they really make my hands sticky inside anyway. That's what I'm running into. Ah, my button came apart. Had to find a replacement for that. My Google Maps on the phone broadcast over the Bluetooth. There's a speed trap up ahead. I am in Baltimore, Maryland. Cruise along on US 1. Just got fuel, $6 per gallon, United States dollars for premium octane. Whoa, restoring that old house. Cool, going across a dam. I think I said the Conagogo? Conawigo? Neat. Oh, look at all those rocks. Hey, I'm in Pennsylvania. Woo! It's a historic house. Google pays off. It detected a 13 or 14 minute backup. Sent me this way. Ah, look at this cool tunnel.